Welcome to Dwarka City News Channel. Today, we bring you highlights from the grand finale of the prestigious Word Pro 2024, A Battle of Words Season 7 Inter-School English Olympiad, held on the 21st of August 2024 at the N.K. Bagrodia Public School Auditorium in Sector 4, Dwarka, New Delhi. The event was hosted by M. Sudha Sinha, Managing Editor of Dwarka City Newspaper, and M. Bhavna Pandey, founder of Word Pro. Our venue hosts for the special event were Mrs. Raji N. Kumar and Mrs. Anjali Kharbanda, Principal of N.K. Bagrodia Public School. The chief guest of the day was DCP Ankit Kumar, along with Manoj Kumar, ACP trainee, and Sanjeev Pawar, SHO Station North. They were welcomed by Mr. Mukesh Sinha, editor of Dwarka City newspaper. The distinguished guests were thoroughly impressed by the confident performances of the young finalists. This year's live quiz featured 30 top performing students from classes 6 to 8, hailing from schools all across the city. After excelling in the online exam held in July, these bright young minds qualified for the live event, the Battle of Words. The atmosphere in the auditorium was filled with excitement as students put their knowledge and preparation to the ultimate test. The esteemed jury consisted of prominent figures from the fields of education and journalism, Mrs. Swati Khanwalkar, Mrs. Ruchi Cheriya, Mrs. Tina Parikh and Ms. Manisha. The students of N.K. Bagrodia Public School mesmerized the audience with their energetic cultural performance, adding charm and vibrancy to the event. The moment of truth began as 30 brilliant students, representing their schools, stepped forward to compete in the much-awaited battle rounds of the Word Pro 2024 quiz. These rounds were intense, filled with excitement, and tested each participant's knowledge, composure, and quick thinking. The 30 finalists were divided into groups of 6. Each group came to the stage to face challenging questions in different categories, battling for their place in the final 7. After a series of intense rounds, the top 7 contenders were finalized, forming the Super 7. These finalists emerged victorious from their respective battles, advancing to the final stage of the competition. After a fierce and exciting showdown, Kuval Anand of Sri Venkateshwar School was crowned the Word Pro Champ 2024, followed closely by Rashil Anand of GD Goenka Public School as the first runner-up, and Detya Krishnan of Venkateshwar International School as the second runner-up. The journey from 30 bright minds down to the top 3 winners was a thrilling ride filled with determination, focus, and passion. Each student displayed remarkable skill, making this year's Word Pro Quiz a memorable and inspiring event for all. After an intense and exciting competition, it was time to recognize the brilliance of all 30 participating schools and their super achievers who made it to the grand finale of Word Pro 2024. This moment was filled with pride for students, teachers, and schools alike, as each super achiever was honored for their excellence. And now, let's hear some words of wisdom and encouragement from our esteemed chief guest, followed by the voices of the dedicated organizers who made this grand event possible.
बहुत ही अच्छा इवेंट था, स्पेशली सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ था। मुझे भी इस 1 घंटे में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे पता चले जो कि मेरे लिए नए थे। तो बच्चों की ये मेहनत देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, स्पेशली जितना एंथुजियास्टिक तरीके से बच्चों ने परफॉर्म किया, इतने प्रेशर में, ये एक बहुत बड़ी लर्निंग है। बच्चों को जो मैंने अभी 3 वर्ड्स कहे, डिसिप्लिन, हार्ड वर्क एंड विल पावर, इन 3 चीजों पे डटे रहना है। लाइफ में कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो वो नहीं अचीव कर सकते। इन 3 चीजों के साथ, वो डिसिप्लिन, हार्ड वर्क और विल पावर के साथ कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है।
First of all, I'm really grateful to Dwarka City and all the participants for planning such a wonderful event. I saw all the rounds and it was very clear what is the kind of effort they have put in all the rounds. And I think the biggest takeaway is that all the students got the chance to get up on the stage and show their talent. So the kind of confidence that I saw from first round to third round, so we could immediately see the increase in the confidence of the children. So I congratulate Dwarka City first of all for the successful event, and all the schools and teachers who took out the time, who gave the training to the children and were able to participate with such enthusiasm. And I'm sure they're going to take away good number of learnings today. So well done everyone.
I'm very happy कि आज 6th वर्ड प्रो यहाँ एनके बगोदिया स्कूल सेक्टर 4 में आयोजित किया गया, और जिस तरह से लोगों ने यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया, बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। जिस तरह कंपटीशन आज हो रहा है, ऐसा कंपटीशन बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। मैंने देखा कुछ बच्चे बहुत स्ट्रेस थे, तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि स्ट्रेस नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर बच्चे आज का स्ट्रेस अगर झेल पाएंगे तो फ्यूचर में इस तरह के स्ट्रेस को आराम से मुकाबला कर सकते हैं। तो एक बहुत ही लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है बच्चों के लिए, और मैं ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को खास करके सुधा जी को और भावना मैम को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूं कि जिन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत करके इस इवेंट को इतना सक्सेसफुल बनाया है। और स्कूल अथॉरिटी खास करके इनके बगडोदिया को भी मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूं कि उन्होंने एक यहाँ जगह दिया इनको इस प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच DCP अंकित कुमार सिंह हु केम एंड स्पोक सच ए गुड वर्ड टू द स्टूडेंट। आई थिंक जो भी उन्होंने बोला है बच्चे अपने जीवन में जरूर उनको ढालने की कोशिश करेंगे, और जिस तरह से वो सक्सेसफुल है बच्चे भी उसी तरह सक्सेसफुल होने की कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू।
This is the 7th year that DCB campus, Dwarka City English Wide Word Pro, is organizing this quiz program, and this is held at NK Bogoria Public School Sector 4. We are very thankful to Raji ma'am, Anjali ma'am, and the management committee of NK Bogoria for giving us space to do this program. And I want to tell you through you that more than 9,000 students this year participated in this competition, and this is growing year by year, and we are very happy to announce that we are getting a very good response for the Word Pro and Spell Well. So I'm thankful to all the principals who are encouraging their students to participate in this quiz program. Also, I'm thankful to all the students and the people who have helped us to make this program successful. Thank you very much.
Today, the Word Pro grand finale was a huge success, and it has been held at NK Bagrodia Public School, and the students performed really well. We had 30 champs from all over Delhi who participated in this, and the competition was very tough. There were ties and many rounds, and the winners today are from Venkateshwar International School, which is second runner-up, Ditya; GD Goenka Public School, first runner-up, Rushil Anand; and the winner is Kuval Anand from Sri Venkateshwar International School. All the 30 children performed really well. Word Pro Titan Awards were also given to all the students who got full marks in the exam. And today we had 258 students who are the super achievers. So it was a great program, and we want to encourage students to participate more and more in this so that they improve their word knowledge and they can excel in academics. Thank you.
And now, let's hear from the shining stars themselves, our Word Pro 2024 champion and runner-ups. Their dedication and hard work brought them to the top, and their words of inspiration will resonate with every aspiring student.
Namaskar. Winning the Word Pro 2024 championship was an incredible experience. The final round was nail-biting, with fierce competition from other contenders, pushing me to my limits. I owe this victory to my highly supportive parents and my encouraging mentors. The Word Pro organizers have also been highly energetic and motivating, and always been there for help and support throughout this long journey. Thanks to all of you from the bottom of my heart.
Kuval not only claimed the title of Word Pro Champ 2024 but also won a prize check of INR 10,000, a glittering trophy, a medal, and a 2-day family holiday to Riverview Retreat by Leisure Hotels. With an extraordinary performance, Rushil secured the runner-up spot and took home a prize check of 7,000 Indian rupees, a trophy, and a medal.
Hi, I'm champion number 4 for Word Pro, and I'm the runner-up. I think the best part about winning was standing on the award stand, getting this trophy, knowing that I won this prize. I cracked it.
Detya Krishnan showed remarkable skill throughout the competition and was awarded a prize check of 5,000 Indian rupees along with a trophy and a medal.
Hello everyone, my name is Detya Krishnan and I was the second runner-up for Word Pro A Battle of Words 2024. The best part of winning this was the thrill of being there on stage and answering questions quickly within a time limit. The atmosphere was very inspiring, which helped me overcome the nervousness. I would like to thank the Word Pro team, my school, and my teachers for this opportunity. I was delighted to be a part of it. Thank you.
This year's Word Pro Olympiad showcased the remarkable talent and knowledge of students across Delhi. Their preparation, confidence, and enthusiasm made the event a resounding success. Thank you for joining us on Dwarka City News channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on exciting events and news from around the city.